First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your network adapter and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed.